This question is from GATE 2014 Mechanical Engineering paper, Set 1, question number 32. A pair of spur gears with module 5 mm and a center distance of 450 mm is used for a speed reduction of 5:1. The number of teeth on pinion is dash. So let's write the given things first. We are being given that module is 5 mm, module being denoted by M, which is nothing but the unit size of a gear, is 5 millimeters. Center distance is of 450 millimeters. So they have given the center distance from the pinion gear to the main gear. That center to center distance is given to be 450 millimeters. This will help us to calculate the radius of each of the gear. Speed reduction is 5:1. So we can write speed of pinion gear divided by the speed of main gear is equal to 5/1, because they are saying speed reduction is of 5:1. That means pinion gear will have higher speed. We have to calculate the number of teeth on pinion gear. So we have to calculate TP. Now TP can be found out using the formula for module, which is called as unit size of the gear. Unit size of the gear is being defined as diameter of the gear. In this case we are writing for pinion, so diameter of the pinion divided by teeth of the pinion. We need to calculate teeth of the pinion. We can rearrange teeth of the pinion is equal to diameter of the pinion by unit size or module. But we don't know dp, that is diameter of the pinion. To calculate the diameter, we'll use the fact that at contact point of gears, we know that velocity is going to be equal for both gears because that is a unique point, and for that unique point it is going to move only with one velocity. One point cannot move with two velocities at same time. That is why it is going to move with a unique value of velocity. That velocity can be calculated both by using pinion, that is omega p into rp, radius of the pinion gear into angular velocity of the pinion gear. This will be equal to, we can calculate it from the main gear side also, that is omega g into rg. By putting omega as 2 pi n by 60 and r as d by 2, we can express this equation as np by ng is equal to dg by dp. And this value we already know for the ratio, it is 5/1. Let's solve this further. So we have dg by dp is equal to 5/1. Therefore, dg is equal to 5 into dp. We also know that for gears, center to center distance is given to be 450 millimeters. That means rp plus rg is given as 450 millimeters. We can substitute again diameter by 2 for each of these. We have dp plus dg by 2 is equal to 450 millimeters. Therefore, we have dp plus dg can be substituted from here as 5 times dp. So this is 5 times diameter of the pinion is equal to 450 into 2, which is 900. So we have 6 times dp is 900. dp is 900 by 6, which is nothing but 150. And of course, we have used center to center distance in millimeters. So we have got the diameter also in millimeters. We know the diameter, we can find out the teeth on pinion. So teeth on the pinion gear is equal to dp by m, which is 150 divided by 5, nothing but 30. Number of teeth on pinion gear is 30. Let's go back and fill in the answer. Number of teeth is 30. Of course, on the pinion gear. To learn more about kinematics of machines, you can refer to the NPTEL video Module 12, Lecture 1, Kinematics of Machines, from the course Lecture Series on Kinematics of Machines. This is by Professor Ashok Kumar Malik. He is from Department of Mechanical Engineering, IIT Kanpur. I hope this solution will help you clear your doubt. Thank you.